Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Chrome AutoFill integration in the Bitwarden password manager. So the first thing that I'm going to do is open up the Bitwarden app, then select settings in the bottom right of the screen, then press autofill, and here we have use Chrome AutoFill integration. So if you want to toggle it, it's going to take you to Google's settings, and here you need to select and change from autofill with Google to autofill using another service. So here we're going to select that. It's going to ask to restart Chrome. So there we go. So restart it. We can now head back to the app, and as you can see, Chrome AutoFill integration is now on. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.